Hi friends, thank you for all your love, your shares, and your your likes and your subscription. So this is Maria, and I'm so thankful for all your love, and I'm also sharing my love with my feather friends. And my cooking, I've not uploaded, but I've done a lot of nice, really good cooking, which I will share with you. There's this one cup John, so I'll just throw some thing which is left for him, and I'll keep sharing just to spread some positive energy, because I was watching something on Facebook and they were showing so much of negativity with the some sorry, some countries consuming dogs and all. So I got quite depressed and just couldn't imagine what people can stoop so low to eat these type of pets, dogs, and they're robbing, even kidnapping other people's dog pets and doing all this. So that really put me on a back burner. I used to cry, and in the nights, and I could just I've gone off meat, and I'm not telling you all to do it, it's to each one, just to keep for my own soul. And I said I will do something that will keep me also busy and spread love, and also the love for animals, and the amount of love you get back is, you cannot measure their love, so whatever small thing you can do for them, give them water, or give them whatever you can do for an animal who's, you can see on your way, carry some things and give them, so you will get so much of peace and blessing. Yeah, so my love to each of you, and thanks for your love and support. And I will keep posting. I also will keep posting a lot of lovely food. My Pintus come back again. Food items I've got. Pintus, you're next to my leg. Hey Pintu boy, you're next to my leg. See? So he just started coming to my place from long time, and like a, oh, I don't know, like a guardian angel. When I used to walk out, he used to keep coming in the nights of my walk, and right till I finish my walk, he would come back, like he would take care of me. He sits outside my window. So I said I'll post it, that when these are wild birds and all animals, and they can show so much of love, then what of the poor, so each one they've got so much to offer. Yeah, so even you all can do something in your own way for them. Yeah, and my love to each of you, and thank you so much. Bye for now. Yeah, I'll also share some nice food I've done, and I will upload the recipes. Yeah, I just don't have time. It's too much of I've got birds at home as well. So yeah, bye.